This is just amazing technology. And it's finally affordable. Just thousands of dollars for this little box.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, when it first came out with microcurrent, it was like 25,000. So I was like, well, I'll never have that. I just didn't realize when I finally found out what this was that it was microcurrent. Because the original microcurrents looked like a briefcase.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Kind of like a cell phone back then.
Mm-hmm. Got the box, got the bag, yeah. How's that feel?
It was good.
All right, let's get you adjusted, man. Face down. Relax the shoulders. You're gonna get deep in that shoulder trap complex. You're gonna relax your right shoulder. This one always gives us trouble. That's the best
that
it's
one.
done, huh? That was great.
Now you're just showing off the camera.
Yeah. Why not?
I think it's the first time it's popped like that.
That was great. Drop your shoulders. You couldn't hear that, but Nan can tell you that was like every segment opened up.
That's awesome. Okay.
Bend your knees for me. All the way, just your knees, just your knees. And drop your hips. Heels to your butt. There you go. Breathe in. Breathe out. This is textbook. Lay on your side facing me.